Hello and welcome to Variety is the Spice of Life, your destination for astrology, food, fitness, life lessons, and thought-provoking ideas that add a little more meaning to everyday living. Have you ever wondered why some people are born leaders, why others naturally excel in creative fields, or why you instantly connect with certain people while struggling to understand others? Could the answer lie hidden in your birth date? In today's video, we're exploring 7 fascinating truths about birth date astrology and numerology, from personality traits and career strengths to relationships, health patterns, and even life cycles. Whether you're a firm believer or a curious skeptic, you might discover something surprisingly relatable. And if you'd like to dive deeper into this fascinating topic, don't forget to check out our detailed blog post. The link is available in the description below. Now, let's unlock the hidden story written in your birth date. Birth date astrology is much more than reading your daily horoscope. Ancient civilizations like the Babylonians and Greeks spent centuries observing the movements of the planets and noticed intriguing patterns in human behavior. According to astrology, the exact arrangement of celestial bodies at the moment of your birth creates a unique energetic blueprint. The sun reflects your core identity. The moon governs your emotions. Mercury influences communication. Venus shapes relationships. And Mars fuels your ambition. Think of your birth chart as a cosmic fingerprint, one that is completely unique to you. And while your zodiac sign is only one piece of the puzzle, the full planetary picture tells a much richer story. Astrology often goes hand in hand with numerology, the ancient study of numbers and their symbolic meanings. Numerologists believe that the digits in your birth date carry specific vibrations that shape your personality and life path. By adding together the numbers in your birth date and reducing them to a single digit, except for special master numbers like 11, 22, and 33, you can calculate your life path number. A number 1 often symbolizes leadership, while a 2 reflects diplomacy and cooperation. Number 3 is linked with creativity, and number 5 with adventure and freedom. Whether you see it as cosmic wisdom or fascinating mathematics, it's remarkable how many people identify strongly with these numerical patterns. Now you might be wondering, does science support any of this? While mainstream science remains cautious, some research has uncovered interesting links between birth seasons and certain personality or health traits. Studies have suggested that factors like maternal nutrition, sunlight exposure, and seasonal changes during pregnancy can influence fetal development. Researchers have also explored connections between birth timing and career tendencies, mood patterns, and even certain health conditions. Of course, astrology doesn't replace science, but perhaps the two are not always in conflict. Sometimes ancient observations and modern research may simply be describing the same mystery from different angles. Your birth month and even the day of the month may reveal fascinating clues about your character. People born in spring are often associated with creativity and adaptability, while winter-born individuals are known for resilience and independence. Numerology also assigns special qualities to your birthday. Those born between the 1st and 5th may have natural leadership abilities, while people born between the 21st and 25th often display strong intuition and creativity. And if you were born close to the transition between 2 zodiac signs, you might be what's called a cusp personality, someone who blends the strengths of both signs, making you wonderfully unique. Have you ever felt naturally drawn toward a certain career? Astrology suggests your birth date may play a role in that too. People born under fiery energies often thrive in entrepreneurship, sports, or leadership roles. Analytical personalities may excel in research, engineering, or strategy, while creative individuals often shine in teaching, performing arts, or communication. But every strength comes with its own challenge. Some birth date patterns indicate impatience, perfectionism, or overthinking. The key isn't to let your birth date define you, but to understand your natural tendencies and use them wisely. Have you ever met someone and felt an instant connection, as if you've known them forever? Astrology and numerology suggest that certain birth date combinations naturally complement each other. Some numbers create harmony through shared values, while others bring balance by offering opposite strengths. In friendships and relationships, understanding these patterns can help us appreciate differences rather than fight against them. Of course, compatibility isn't destiny. Trust, communication, and effort remain the true foundation of any strong relationship. But birth date insights can offer an interesting new perspective on why we connect the way we do. One of the most surprising areas of research involves the connection between birth seasons and health. Some studies suggest that the season in which you're born may influence factors like immunity, metabolism, mood, or even vitamin D levels. Astrology also speaks about personal year cycles and 7-year life phases, periods when certain themes like growth, change, reflection, or new beginnings become more prominent. Rather than viewing these patterns as fixed predictions, think of them as signposts. They encourage us to become more aware of ourselves and to approach life's transitions with greater understanding. In today's digital world, birth date analysis has evolved far beyond old books and handwritten charts. Modern astrology apps and AI-powered tools can now generate highly personalized birth chart interpretations in just seconds. Many people use these insights to improve decision-making, identify personal strengths, plan important milestones, or simply gain a deeper understanding of themselves. The real value lies not in predicting the future, but in promoting self-awareness and personal growth. After all, perhaps the greatest gift of birth date astrology is that it encourages us to ask one simple but powerful question: who am I, and what makes me uniquely me? As we wrap up, remember that astrology and numerology are not about limiting your potential. They are tools for self-discovery. Your birth date may offer clues about your personality, strengths, challenges, and life patterns, but ultimately, the choices you make shape your destiny. If you enjoyed this exploration into the mysteries of birth date astrology, you'll also love the diverse content we bring to Variety is the Spice of Life. From astrology and personal growth to food, fitness, inspiring stories, and lifestyle insights, there's always something new to discover. For a much deeper understanding of today's topic, along with detailed examples, charts, FAQs, and additional insights, be sure to visit our blog. The link is waiting for you in the description below. And if you found this video interesting, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue creating meaningful content that informs, inspires, and adds a little more variety to life. Until next time, remember, your birth date may write the opening chapter, but you hold the pen that writes the rest of your story. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.